Alleged Mountain View gunned down on Windward Road. 60-year-old man dies from gunshot wound to the head in Fraser's content. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. An alleged Don was killed in a brazen afternoon shooting on Windward Road on Tuesday. The news media understands that the deceased, identified thus far by his alias Dangles, hailed from Mountain View. He was reportedly gunned down in an attack carried out by armed motorcyclists. According to eyewitnesses, two men drove up alongside the vehicle the now deceased was traveling and opened fire. He was hit multiple times. The vehicle then crashed into an embankment in the area. Investigations are continuing. A 60-year-old man has become the latest victim of gun violence in the crime-prone Fraser content community of St. Catherine. He has been identified as Michael Stedman, unemployed of Fraser's Boulevard, Spanish Town, St. Catherine. It is reported that about 6 p.m. Monday, explosions were heard in the community and residents summoned the police. On their arrival, Stedman was observed on the side of the road with what appears to be gunshot wounds to the head. He was assisted to Spanish Town Hospital where he succumbed to his injuries.